Alright, so let's talk about the single biggest shift I've made in my online business. I want to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how I turned artificial intelligence into my ultimate social media income machine. And I mean a real automated money-making machine, not just a fun toy to generate weird pictures. Now, if you're anything like I was, you've seen the explosion of AI tools all over the internet. They're on your feed, in the news, everywhere. And a part of you is probably skeptical. I know I was. I saw all these promises and thought, is this just another trend? Another complicated piece of tech I have to learn? I was already feeling the pressure of the content creation hamster wheel. The constant need to come up with ideas, write captions, design posts, and stay consistent. It was exhausting. The big question that kept nagging at me was, can these tools actually help someone like me make real sustainable money online, or are they just a distraction? Well, I'm here to cut through the noise and give you the straight answer: yes, absolutely. And I'm going to break down my exact step-by-step playbook. This isn't theory. This is the practical system I built from the ground up. First, let's tackle the biggest time suck for any creator or business owner: creating the actual posts. Before AI, this could take up my entire week. Now, I use AI to batch create an entire month's worth of high-quality content in just a few hours. Seriously, an entire month. Here's how it works. Step 1 is brainstorming my core content pillars. Let's say my niche is healthy home cooking. My pillars might be quick weeknight dinners, meal prep Sundays, and healthy desserts. I then go to a text-based AI like ChatGPT or a similar tool, and I give it a simple prompt. Act as a social media expert. Generate 30 post ideas for Instagram based on these 3 pillars. Instantly, I have a list of unique angles and hooks. Step 2, I take my favorite ideas from that list and feed them back into the AI. For example, I'll say, write an engaging Instagram caption for a post about a 15-minute lemon garlic pasta recipe. Include a hook, the main benefits, a simple call to action asking people to save the post, and suggest relevant hashtags. The AI drafts the entire thing. Step 3, and this is the most important part, is the human touch. I never just copy and paste. I read the AI's output, and I tweak the captions to match my unique voice. I'll add a personal anecdote about the first time I made the recipe, or change a word to sound more like me. This is where you inject your personality. The AI does 90% of the heavy lifting, the research, the structuring, the drafting, and I come in for that final 10% to make it perfect. This system completely changed the game. It meant I could finally achieve the holy grail of social media: consistency. I could post daily, sometimes even multiple times a day, without ever feeling that creative burnout or the panic of an empty content calendar. And consistency is everything. It signals to the algorithm that your account is active and valuable, which means your posts get shown to more people. More importantly, it builds trust and authority with your audience. They learn to expect great content from you every single day. That constant presence is what turns casual followers into a real community. The problem of consistency completely solved. But creating a super efficient content system for yourself is just the start. That's level 1. Here's where the real income machine kicks into gear and the money path truly opens up, offering this as a service to clients. Think about it. My own social media feed became my #1 marketing tool. After a few weeks of this relentless, high-quality posting, something amazing started to happen. People noticed. Not just followers, but other small business owners, coaches, and creators in my network. The DMs started trickling in. At first, it was just compliments, but then came the question I was waiting for. Your content is amazing lately. Who's making it for you? The first time I got that message, my heart skipped a beat. I replied honestly, "Thanks so much. I'm actually using a new system that's powered by AI with my own creative direction." Their response, "No way. That's incredible. I'm so overwhelmed with my own content. Could you do that for me?" And just like that, a light bulb went off. They didn't see AI as a threat. They saw it as a solution to a problem they were desperate to solve. They wanted in. So I formalized it. I started offering AI-powered social media management packages. My ideal clients were everywhere. The local real estate agent who's great at selling houses but terrible at Instagram, the personal trainer who's busy with clients all day, the owner of a small e-commerce shop who needs to post about their products but has no time. These are passionate experts in their fields, but they are not content creators, and they are losing business by being invisible online. My offer was simple. Let me handle your entire social media content strategy using my proven AI system, so you can focus on what you do best. Now let's talk numbers, because this is where it gets really exciting. Imagine this. You land your first client. You charge them a very reasonable $500 a month. For that, you promise them 20 high-quality posts per month, complete with captions, hashtags, and AI-generated images tailored to their brand. Using the batching system I just described, creating that content might only take you 3-4 hours for the entire month. Now you land a second client, and a third. With just 3 clients at $500 a month each, you've just added $1,500 to your monthly income. That's $18,000 a year, for what is essentially a few hours of focused work each week. This isn't just pocket change. For many people, that's a car payment, a mortgage payment, or the financial cushion to finally leave a job they hate. And it's all from helping other businesses show up consistently online. And the best part, the leverage is insane. Because the AI is doing the bulk of the work, your time isn't directly tied to your income. You're not trading hours for dollars in the traditional sense. You're leveraging technology to deliver a valuable result, which frees you from being glued to your screen all day. You can manage these clients from anywhere in the world, a coffee shop, a co-working space, your own living room. This is what true freedom looks like. Now I can hear the objection already, but I'm not a tech genius. I don't know how to prompt engineer. And honestly, you don't have to be. I certainly wasn't when I started. I literally learned as I went. The secret is that these tools are designed to be user-friendly. If you can write an email, you can write a prompt for an AI. It's a conversation. You just have to learn how to ask good questions. And the learning curve is incredibly fast. There are endless free tutorials on YouTube that will teach you the basics of prompting in under an hour. Many AI tools have their own libraries of pre-made templates for social media posts. You just fill in the blanks. You don't need a computer science degree. You just need a little curiosity and the willingness to learn. The real secret, the one thing that separates people who talk about making money online from those who actually do it, is this: they just start. They take messy, imperfect action. They don't wait until they're an expert. So here's my challenge to you. After watching this, go and create one social media post using a free AI tool. Just one. Pick a topic you love, ask the AI to write a caption, and see what it comes up with. Then you test it, post it, see what happens. Did it get any likes? Any comments? Then you tweak. Maybe the next one needs a stronger hook. Maybe the call to action could be clearer. This cycle of starting, testing, and tweaking is the entire game. So if you're looking for a tangible, low-cost way to seriously boost your income using social media, this is it. AI is your ultimate shortcut. It's the force multiplier that allows you to create your own professional-looking content, build an audience, and then leverage that skill to land paying clients. You create the system, and then you let the machine do the heavy lifting while you collect the payments. It's a business model for the modern age. Trust me, it has never been easier or more accessible to build a stream of income, and the freedom that comes with it, with nothing more than a laptop and a little bit of AI.